Here is our Ford Fusion key. The one on the right, I obviously have already taken apart. So let me show you how it is done. So the remote on the left here, you will press this button in to get the remote out. Then you will look at this here, and this slot right in the front, you will put the key into the top of it and then twist it. So you'll twist it like that, and then that kind of releases the top part here. And you just kind of push this pretty hard. So the back kind of flies off. Wow, this is a very dirty remote. And then you'll have the battery, CR2450. You take a pen or a little clip, put it down here. I don't have the right angle, but that is where you will put a pen or a paper clip and pop it out of there, and then it pops up like this. It's a very large battery compared to some out there. So as you can see, CR2450. That in there. You get your little covering. And then you'll slide the key back in, and that is the Ford Fusion battery replacement. Thank you for watching.